So it's going to build the actual virtual disk at the moment. Hey guys, welcome back to installing a NAS more powerful than. If you're new, my name is Prashant and I'm the host of Tech Scene ZA, the coolest tech-related YouTube channel where we do awesome reviews, mind-blowing unboxing, and amazing projects. So click the subscribe button to see more. So if you missed part 1, the link is up there in the YouTube cards. So at the end of part 1, I showed you a small piece where it said it wasn't working. So today is actually 4 days after the actual initial install. So after 4 days of trying and troubleshooting, we could not fix the issue. So we went with a fresh install. So let me show you some clips of before everything went wrong, and then we'll cut over to the new fresh install, and then I'll take it from there with the explanation of setting up users, setting up shares, as well as some other stuff. So let's get into it. So it is actually the next day. The configuration of the virtual hard disk did take a while. I started at about 8:30, and by 11:45 last night, it was still carrying on at 30%. So I left it overnight, and we are back here now. So, as I mentioned yesterday, we need 2 USBs. One that's going to be our installation media, so what we're installing from, and one that we're going to install to. Right, so the USBs are connected up, and the first thing we're going to actually have to do before installing is check that the virtual hard disk is picked up correctly and it was configured correctly. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and install our operating system. Our operating system of choice was FreeNAS because there are a few points. So first of all, it is a mature and evolved operating system. So they've been the operating system has been in use from 2005. It is a lightweight operating system, so that's why I'm installing it to a USB. It has ZFS, which is a very tight and secure file system, which you can actually do RAID, which I spoke about earlier, on we can use software RAID instead of me using a RAID card, like actually how I'm doing. It is a very secure operating system, and it is the ultimate file and storage media server because you can actually install Plex as well as a personal cloud server to this operating system. It has virtualization installed, so that's how I'm creating the virtual machines, and it is very personalizable. So I can make changes and stuff to suit me, and it is very easy in a set and forget kind of situation. So it actually has an awesome community because the community helped me. I was actually having issues when I first took this for a test run. I was having issues actually installing the media. So the community really helped me in selecting the correct settings and getting the USB in the correct format to install the media. And of course, this is free. Unlike other proprietary softwares, this is free and it is really, really easy to install. So I'm just waiting to check okay, there it is. So let's check if it picks up the virtual hard disk. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and install the FreeNAS. Okay, so there's the RAID card, and it did pick up one virtual hard disk found. Yeah. So let's wait for it to pass this, and then we get into the FreeNAS installation. Oh, the IP settings was set according to my home network. If you missed me setting that up, click up here. So this is allocated at a static IP address so that nothing changes. So if you try to access it, it's not constantly changing location, it's in one place. So I set this when I was doing the test run with this machine. So just press F1 to continue. And there's the FreeNAS installation. So this is going to take a while, and this would be a sort of montage, if you will. And there we go. So install and upgrade. So we have to choose our, this is my USB, and there is my 9.1 terabyte virtual hard disk. Okay, so I'm installing it to my to my 4 gig USB. Alright, continue, password. Okay, so away we go. So the installation is complete, and it asked me to remove the installation device and reboot the system. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so this is our first startup of FreeNAS. So basically what we have to do, it starts up on this machine, and the only way that we can configure it is actually with another machine. So let me go ahead and get my laptop and an Ethernet cable, and we'll hook up to this and do some configuring. So I did go ahead and get the modem that I use in the access point downstairs, and when I hooked it up to everything, I did have some minor technical difficulties. But again, what's a tech scene video without technical difficulties? So we did figure it out, and I did restart the server right now. So I'm just waiting for it to start, and I'll explain you a little bit more. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button. Consider getting subscribed to see more amazing content from Tech Scenes ZA.
Take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello.